Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a brand new Platen in this Quiet Deluxe, and it is not right. So check this out. Here's the card guide and the gap between the card guide and the Platen roller right there. And if I turn this, you can see that it's pretty even over here, right? The gap stays the same. All nice and good. If I move this over here to this side, all the way over to this left, check out the gap now. See if I can get this in focus. Look at that gap go right to the card guide and way away. To the card guide and way away. So this is bad, bad, bad. I don't know how far that is off. I'm back. Okay. Next step, good day.